Welcome to Hadley's and Jude's Cooking Show! We're chefs. Today we're going to make snickerdoodles!
Butter.
First we need to cut up the butter.
That's right. Now that's what you're going to say.
Can you show me how to cut up the butter?
First we need to crack an egg. Not first. First we need to crack the butter. Next we pour the mix into the bowl. Next, we're going to pour one egg into the bowl. Watch this. Next, we put the butter in the bowl. There we go.
Was that in the bowl? Say, whoopsie.
The last thing that we need to add is a tablespoon of water. Now it's time to mix. That's really quiet. Let's mix it. Now it's time to scrape the bowl. Stuck. Look how good I'm doing. My hands are getting all messy. Mine too. Yeah. But your hands got messier more times than my hand did because my hand just got dirty one time. Let's mix some more. Now it's time to pour the sugar in the bowl.
You can try.
Can I pour now? I need some help.
Okay. Try it out something.
It's like would that taste good?
You want to taste that?
Yeah.
Y'all can taste that.
Jude.
Tastes like cinnamon. It is cinnamon. There's a pile right here. The last thing that we need to do is roll our ball like this and put it in our cinnamon and sugar. Look how I'm sprinkling it. I'm putting mine in the middle. We're chefs. Now it's time to bake.
What are we gonna taste?
Cinnamon.
Okay, what do you have in your hands?
Cinnamon.
Okay, you're both gonna take your hand and lick your hand. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Not like that.
Don't wanna go in for another lick?
What about you, Jude? Do you like it?
No? It's a thumbs down?
The cinnamon tastes good now. The cinnamon tastes good now. Now like our hands. Can I do it? Sorry. Now it's time for the best part of the day. Does it taste good, Hadley? The cookies are done baking. It's time to eat.
How are they?
Good. Good.
1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up?
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Mmm.